Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 Honda Civic. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You look smart and sporty in the Civic sedan. It packs sophisticated style, impressive fuel efficiency, powerful performance, and advanced safety and connectivity technology. Best of all, it's simply a joy to drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, moonroof, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, heated mirrors, backup camera. Satisfy your craving for driving pleasure without sacrificing safety and efficiency. Get it all in the Honda Civic sedan.